Good morning, all of you. My name is Bharat Khurana, working here as Associate Professor in Department of Pharmaceutics at ISF College of Pharmacy. I welcome you all in this e-practicals of ISF College of Pharmacy. So today we'll discuss about this to prepare and characterize coconut oil shampoo. So here we are ready with our raw materials. Firstly, we need sodium lauryl sulfate. Secondly, we need coconut oil. Thirdly, propylene glycol. Then we need sodium hydroxide pellets. Then we need stearic acid, and lastly distilled water. Now starting with the procedure, first of all we are adding stearic acid to the beaker, required amount of stearic acid, and it is to be melted at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius in a beaker on a hot plate. Now we are adding the required amount of sodium lauryl sulfate in the melted stearic acid and then mix it well. Now we are adding required amount of coconut oil to the mixture of stearic acid and sodium lauryl sulfate solution to make it a oily phase. Now see, we are ready with the oil phase. Now we will prepare aqueous phase. In this, firstly we have taken a small amount of water. Now we are adding propylethylene glycol to it and mix it well. Now to this aqueous phase solution we are adding sodium hydroxide pellets and then mix it well. Now we are ready with both the phases. This is our oil phase and this is our aqueous phase. Now add this aqueous phase to the oil phase dropwise and mix it well. Now this is the final formulation we got, that is coconut oil based shampoo. Now we'll perform its characterization studies. So firstly we will study about the viscosity through Brookfield viscometer. See, we have put the sample under the T spindle bar of Brookfield viscometer. Now we take it downwards and now this spindle is moving now. Secondly, we have done the cleansing property of shampoo. We have taken a small amount of soiled cotton and put a small amount of shampoo in it and see its cleansing property. Thirdly, we have done the foaming power of shampoo. We have taken a small amount of water and put a small amount of shampoo in it and shake it well. Then we see the initial amount of foam formed, and then after some time we'll check the volume of this foam.